next peep. So today's video, I'm going to be going straight to the point. As you can see on my desktop here, you can see that I'm on Boom 1000. Okay, so guys, this particular trading bot only works on Boom 1000 and other Boom or Crash. Okay, so what is the work of this particular trading bot? The work of this particular trading bot, as you can see, if I click on my history right here, you can see how far the bot has been working. You can see right here. So this particular trading bot is a Boom Sniper and it is called Boom Sniper bot. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this particular trading bot to be able to make profit on your Boom or in your Boom. So you're going to be using the Reeve to be able to trade on this particular trading bot. Before we get started, if today is the first time you're passing through our videos, my name is NextPeep. I'll bring you guys updates on how to trade with automated trading bot, which is called EA. And if you are not subscribed, do where to subscribe, join our Telegram group to get a free EA from us. You don't need to purchase the bot, okay? So this particular trading bot is actually free. I've been working on it for months and it's actually working well now. I've been using it to trade a real account. So I'm going to show you guys how to use it. So if you go to my Telegram channel, you're going to be downloading the bot. So once you download the bot, you click on file right here. So once you click on file right here, click on open data folder. Okay. So here you're going to go to my MT5 and export right here, and you're going to be pasting the bot right here. You can see the bot is already here, Boom Sniper bot. And once you're done with that, just close and you're going to be refreshing this navigator screen to be able to see the bot. Okay, so you can see this is the bot. So how to add it? I'm going to be opening let me open Crash 1000. So this is Crash 1000. Let me open a new chat window right here. So here I'm going to be changing the time frame to 1 minute time frame. Good. So what I'm going to do is to make sure I drag the bot and open it on my Crash 1000. So here you're going to be allowing algo trading. Click OK. Good. Okay, the bot has just added. That's why it made that noise. So here I'm going to click on allow algo trading. Okay, so you can see the bot just place a trade. So the bot plays 2 sell on Crash and 1 buy on Boom 1000. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving this trade to trade while I do other things which I'm doing, because okay, you can see the bot just closed that trade. Now let's go and check our history. You can see this is plus $4 and this is plus $0.99. The bot is actually okay. See, just a new trade. Let's go and check it out so that you'll be able to see what I'm saying, guys. So you can see we're already on plus $7. Okay, so this bot is actually working very well, and I'm gonna allow it to trade. You can see I'm not gonna edit any part of this video, and it's absolutely free. And this bot can actually state the stop loss and the take profit, so that you don't have to blow your account. Okay, so right, you can see I already have $7 profit here. Okay, so what I'm going to do next here is to still allow it to trade. You can see on Crash we have 2 sells, and on Boom 1000 we have a buy. You can see the spike here. This was the point of the spike and this was the closing point, and here we still have another buy on Boom. Okay, and if you check the analysis on 4 hours time frame on Boom 1000, let me do that quick. Okay, time frame 4 hours, you can see that we are still on bullish trend. you're actually on a bullish trend. So let's go back and put that on 1 minute time frame. Okay, 1 minute time frame. Okay, so this particular trading bot, I've been working on it for months. I've not even slept. I've been working on it and it's actually working well. It is scalper boom bot. It can scalp very quick and fast. Okay, you can still use it to pass a profit account, and guys, it is free. You can get it on my Telegram chat. So I'm going to be allowing the trade to trade on its own while you watch and see if the bot is okay. So I'm just trying to show you guys how to use it. There's no any settings. So if you want to add or change the settings of this bot, just click on that on the bot right here. So here you can decide to increase the lot size, which is the volume, to 1, and the volume size 1. Okay, so just do the volume size and you are good to go. So you can see we have not had any spike. So once we have a spike, it's going to actually close the trade. So here, how this particular bot works is there is no SL. So once the bot is going across 5% of your capital, it will actually set a stop loss for you. But once you're on profit, the SL is going to come as a break even. Okay, so this particular trading bot only works for boom and crash, and you can see here we actually made a lot of money using this particular trading bot. So it's free, guys. You don't have to pay dime to get the bot. Just get the bot, test it on a demo account before installing it on a real account. Okay, it's always advisable to do that before using your real account. So it's free, you don't have anything to lose. Just get a bot, test it on your demo account, and boom, you're good to go. Okay, so guys, as I used to tell you guys, that this particular trading bot, which is called let me show you guys this particular trading bot. Here you can see sniper trading bot. This sniper bot works on XAUSD and it kills our XAUSD, guys. So if you have the ability to get the bot, you can actually get the bot. So okay, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Have a lovely day, guys.